Hello everybody!
This is Clara
and Cristina, and this is our first Christmas video for 2018,
in which we show you how easily you can DIY your own hanging lantern sconces.
We are planning lots of winter and Christmas related videos,
including fun challenges that are hosted by some of our favorite YouTube creators. Let's start! Here's what you need:
2 wooden boards,
2 metal hanging brackets, 2 sawtooth hangers, a few screws,
drill and paint.
We have a wooden board which is 1 meter and 20 centimeters long with 30 centimeters wide. Cut the board in half in order to get 2 pieces of the same dimension, 60 centimeters per 30 centimeters.
Use sandpaper to smooth the edges. Paint the entire piece of wood, front, back and sides. Let the wood dry overnight.
On the back side of the board, measure half of it and add a sawtooth hanger. Measure half of it on the front as well. We used black screws to attach the hook in the middle of it.
Done!
The lantern can be an alternative to spice up your bare walls. Fill the lantern with fairy lights and turn them into sconces.
We are so happy with the way it turned out. It came out even better than we imagined.
The hooks can be used for so many things. For example, we hung on them a lantern and a birdcage, but you can hang a mason jar or anything you like. Nice and easy project. video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more holiday related videos. Also, we created an Instagram account where we give you plenty of updates and sneak peeks, so make sure to follow us there as well. Thanks for watching day 1, and we hope that you are having a lovely holiday season.